We've been monitoring our Delivering Alpha conference all morning long. David Faber just got done with his panel and has some sound. Hey, David.
Hey, Carl. Yeah, interesting opportunity for us to sit down with three very large investors. Yasser Al-Rumayyan, the governor of Saudi Arabia's public investment fund, about $350 billion they have at their disposal, much of it invested in the kingdom itself, but a lot of it finding its way in all sorts of different industries. Also, we're joined by Vista Equities Partners Chairman and CEO Robert Smith, of course, a huge technology investor. Conversation turned to autonomous vehicles. Something we haven't really talked about that often in a while, Carl. We used to years ago, and in fact, when we talk about the middle or towards the end of 2020, we probably anticipated we'd actually be seeing some of them on our roads. We're not, and I asked Mr. Al-Rumayyan why that is the case.
There is not enough collaboration between different companies when it comes to the autonomous vehicles. Different strategies, different science, different methodologies, and that's why it's like going back, it's not going forward.
I think autonomous vehicles is likely going to move first in the trucking and transportation space before we get to the consumer space en masse, because I think there's just massive benefits that can be captured and monetized in that space.
Carl, I should mention, of course, the PIF is one of, if not the largest investors in Uber, about a $3.5 billion stake taken some time back. And, of course, given that, they have a focus to a certain extent on autonomous and the development of it, not to mention their efforts in a lot of different areas as well in Saudi Arabia, including creating this city, NEO, where they're going to have autonomous vehicles apparently all over the place. So just wanted to share that, a very interesting conversation that we were able to have, and certainly hope people will continue to pay attention to our Delivering Alpha conference as it continues today.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.